So I welcome you all for lecture series on digital system design. Today is our 19th lecture, and we will be discussing about continuing our discussion on decoders. That is 74LS138 or 3:8 line decoder. Another name for this is 74138. How to remember the name of the IC? See, the last number will be a important thing for people for remembering the name. 3:8 decoder. Fine. How many inputs it is having? 3 inputs it is having, and it is having 8 outputs. And it is an active high IC or active low IC?
Active low IC.
Yes, correct. Yes, correct. Why? Who decides whether IC is active high or active low?
Because output
The condition of your output pins. The condition of your output pins. Output is bubbled. So condition of your output pins let you know that whether the IC is active high or active low. So there are 3 inputs A, B, and C, and there are 3 select lines. 3 enable pins. One is G1, which is active high pin. G2A, it is G subscript 2A. So G2A, which is active low, because I'm having a bubble here, and G2B, which is also active low. Fine. How to construct? You know, ನನಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು 3:8 line decoder. I have to get what here? 4:16 decoder. How to get? How will you analyze the IC? How many ICs you need? How will you analyze? But
3:8 ICs are required.
How? What made you understand that I have to go for 2, 4, 3, 7, 4, and 3, 8?
because output are
Well, look here. Here there are 8 outputs. Here I need 16 pins at the output side. So 16 pins mean how many IC?
2 ICs.
2 ICs. 2 ICs. Even I want one modern. I'll do one thing here. I'm having 2 ICs. Both are 7413 ICs. This is upper IC. This is the lower IC. Understanding? Yes or no? Everyone understanding this? Even math this point, for God's sake, don't forget. This will be the most important point. Right? So I will write a truth table here. Say A, B, C, D. Fine. It starts from zeros. It starts from the truth table starts from 0, 0, 0, 0. Correct? It will go till 0, 1, 1, 1. Then 1, 0, 0. It goes till 1, 1, 1, 1. Understanding, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes.
Look here.
So,
Always.
Yes, sir.
How will I classify? How many pins are there here? I will select this. This is the say how many pins till here? 0, 0, 0, 0 to 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1, 1. How many pins?
8 pins.
8. It starts from 0, so it will be 8 pins. Correct? And the lower one will be having again 8 pins. So 8 plus 8, 16. Understanding? Yes or no?
Yes.
How did it? The first 8 pins, whatever I'm getting, the first 8 pins will be for IC1. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
The first 8 pins will be for this IC, first IC. The next 8 pins will be for second IC. Understanding? Everyone? One more point you are supposed to understand. You'll note, who decides this triggering? Who decides this triggering? Whether IC1 should be selected or IC2 should be selected. Who decides it? It is decided by the MSB bit. That is A bit. Understanding? It is decided by the MSB bit. Understanding? Everyone understanding?
Yes, sir.
Who decides it? A decides it because A is MSB. A is MSB. Understanding, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
now look at this combination. This first row. What do you see here? When is IC1 triggered? When is IC1 triggered? IC1 is triggered for what value of A? IC1 is triggered for what value of A?
0, sir. 0.
0.
0.
The lower IC will be IC2. It will be triggered for what value of A?
1.
0.
चला lower IC क्या करना? Lower IC will be triggered for what value of A?
1. 1.
1.
So ಇದು 0 ಟ್ರಿಗರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಬಲ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ this A pin I should try to bubble input. For 0 it should be triggered na. So I'll give it a select line which has a bubble. Understanding everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I'll give it to either G2A or G2B. And this IC should be triggered for 1. So should I give to active high or active low?
Active highs.
High.
Active high IC. Which is the active high select line?
G1.
G1.
So I'll take a scenario where there is no active high IC. ಇಲ್ಲಿ active high pin ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಬಲ್ ಐತಪ್ಪ ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? And it's not that ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಬಲ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಇದು IC 7418 ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. Say I'll consider this IC is now 7418. It has only one active low enable pin. What should I do in that case?
Not get.
I will use a NOT gate so that NOT and NOT will nullify each other. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So for 0 this will be selected. For 1 this will be selected. Understanding? Yes or no? And for ABC of first 3 should be sorted to the ABC of the second 3. Sorry, BCD. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ IC ಒಳಗೇನದ BCD ಅಂತದ. So these 3 of first should be sorted to these 3 same 3 pins of the second IC. Am I understandable? Why? Am I understandable?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So in that way I'll be able to realize this one. See, A and A sorted, B and B sorted, C and C sorted, G1 is connected to VCC, and ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗದ hierarchy? It goes in this fashion ಅಲ್ಲ. Hierarchy always go from lower to higher. ಇದು MSB ಇರ್ತದ. So this one will be MSB. So this one will be LSB. So I said ABCD. So W will be A, X will be B, Y will be C, Z will be D. Understanding? And here you can see W is connected to this pin, that is G2A, and the same W is connected to G1 here. So in that way, I'm able to get a how many pin IC? See, there are 4 inputs W, X, Y, Z, and there are 16 outputs. So it is a 4:16 decoder. Am I understandable? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one. The next one. I have to implement a 5:32 decoder using same 74138. I have to implement a 5:32 decoder using same 74138. Did you understand the sum?
Yes, sir.
These conversions will be asked for 8 marks. Understanding? So, 74138 is having how many pins? 3 input, 8 output pins. How will you judge the number of ICs? By the output lines. Understanding? So how many pins are there here? 8. How many pins are there here?
32.
32.
You understanding? So in the end of the will have more than other. So what should I do? How many ICs should I use?
4 ICs.
I will use 4 ICs.
Yes, sir.
I will use 4 ICs. Understanding everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I will be using 4 ICs. Correct? Are you able to see the IC?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Here, there are 4 ICs here. And each IC has how many inputs? Each IC has how many inputs? A, B,
3 inputs.
C. And these 3 should be sorted for ICs. Correct? These 3 should be sorted for all ICs. A, B, C, A, B, C, and A, B, C. A, B, 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 C, 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 C. So should be sorted. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding? You're not doing one cross mark hakini.
Yes.
I'll draw a vertical line, and this vertical line will short here. It will short here. It will short here. Understanding? Similarly, a vertical line for B. It will be sorted here, here, and here. Understanding, everyone? Similarly, see. How many output lines I'm having?
32.
32.
32.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 to 7 ಸಿಗ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗ್ತದ? 8 ಇಂದ 8 to 15.
15.
Here 16 to 20 ಎಷ್ಟು? 23 ಆಗಿದೆ. 24 to
35.
24 to 31.
32.
31.
24 to 31. So how many pins? 31. It starts from 0, so it ends at 31. Understanding?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
I got a output clarification that it is a having a 32 pins. Understanding? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How many inputs are missing?
Yes, sir.
How many inputs are missing?
2.
How many inputs are missing?
1, sir. 2.
2, sir. 2.
5 is equal to what? Na ಎರಡು input missing ಇದಿಲ್ರಿ.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಹಾ ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, I will ask you one question. How many ICs should be selected?
4 ICs.
4 ICs should be selected. Correct? Depending on how many inputs. How many inputs? No.
Five.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, A B B C C ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆತ. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಪಿನ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕ. ಹೌದಾ? ನನಗೆ IC ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಿನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು? ಇದು 4 IC ಇದಾವ. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm having 4 ICs. Correct? For selecting these 4 ICs, how many pins I need? Are those pins available here in ABC? ABC pin ಅನ್ನ select ಮಾಡಕ ಅಲ್ಲ. This ABC is just for selecting. You know, this ABC is just for selecting these output lines. 000 ಅಂದ್ರೆ Y0 select ಆಗತ್ತೆ. 001 Y1 will be selected. So on 111 Y7 will be selected. For this 000 Y8 will be selected. 001 9 will be selected. 111 15 will be selected. You understand? You understand?
Yes. Yes.
ನಾ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಇದು 4 IC select ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕ ನಂಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು? Who controls this selection of these 4 ICs?
Enable.
Enable control ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಹೌದ್ರಿ? ಎಷ್ಟು enable inputs ಬೇಕು ನನಗ? How many inputs I need to control these 4 ICs? 2 select lines.
2, sir.
2.
I need 2 pens for controlling 4 pins. You understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು IC ಇದಾವ? ಎಷ್ಟು IC ಇದಾವ?
4 ICs.
4 IC ಇದಾವ. So how many control lines I need to select 4 ICs? 2.
sir.
Understanding? So what should I use?
Yes, sir.
Is it not ringing a bell into your head that I should use something here?
Under IC, sir. Enable pin.
Pardon? Pardon?
Another IC.
Another IC.
Under
Another what
IC.
IC? Another what IC is used?
2:4.
Appreciate. I have to use
7.
2:4 decoder IC. ಇದ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಏನಂತ?
Dual line.
7413.
74139 decoder. Understanding? So ಇದ್ರದೇನು output ಅದಾವ? These outputs are also active low. Correct? ಹೌದು? How many inputs are there? There are 2 inputs, and I have to take one more IC here. Correct? ಹೌದು? But this lower 4 I will not use. Do I use the use of lower 4? I know it is a dual 2:4 decoder, but I will not use the lower 4 one because 4 is enough for me to control. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
now, ನಂಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು input ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. Say A, say this one is B. Now, when A, B is 0, who should be selected? When A and B is 0, who should be selected? ಯಾರು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ? ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು A, B 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಯಾ IC ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು?
First.
First IC. 01 01
Second.
10 third
Third.
11 fourth. Understanding? Now 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ which pin will be there are 4 pins here, correct? In first 2:4 decoder, there are four output pins which are active low pins. Now, when A and B are 0, 0, what will be the condition? Who will be activated among these 4?
First one.
First one. How the
First
activate
one.
ಆಗ್ತದೆ. I accept this. This is very good. Correct. ಇದು select ಆದ ಗೊತ್ತಾತಂದ್ರೆ. ಈ select ಆದಾಗ output ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? When this pin is selected, when AB is 0, 0, what will be the output from this pin?
A bar B bar.
A bar plus B bar.
A bar plus B bar ತಪ್ಪು. A bar ಎರಡು ತಪ್ಪು.
Y naught is equal to
One.
A plus
One.
ತಪ್ಪು. One ಅನ್ನೋದು ತಪ್ಪು. ಏ active low IC ನಾಗ listen here. Everyone listen here. Active low IC it is. Active low IC output term will be some term or product term.
A plus B.
Some term.
ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು? What are people telling? It is having a bubble. Won't people understand? It is A bar,
Plus
B bar. A bubble is there. It will be bar. Understanding? 0, 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? A bar. ಏನು 0 ಅದ? A bar ಬರುತ್ತೆ. B ನು 0 ಅದ. B bar ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Output is having a bubble. I'll put a bar. It will answer will be A plus B. My question is not that. You understand my question? What will be the output value from this pin? Nan ಕೇಳತನ.
0. 0.
If people won't study, you won't survive. That's the only point. My question was, whenever that pin is selected, it is an active low pin. That pin goes low on activation. So this pin value will be 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು not get code connect ಮಾಡಲು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ IC select ಆಗಲ್ಲ ನಾನು 0 value. This IC should be selected. First IC should be selected for 0 value of 0 value, 0 output. So 0 is coming here from the output of this pin. What should I feed here? 0 or 1? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು enable pin bubble ಇರೋ pin ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಯೋ ನಾ enable ಅನ್ನ bubble ಇಲ್ಲಾರ್ದಲ್ಲ pin ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಯೋ? Should I feed? See, bubble and bubble will always get cancelled. You understanding? Enable ga bubble ada. Enable ga bubble ada ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What for what value it will be triggered? 0 or 1?
1.
Enable is having bubble. For what value it is triggered?
0, sir.
0.
Yeah, answer will be either 1 or 0. You understand? Answer will be either 1 or 0. Even I know that. See, whenever any IC has a bubble, I have to feed 0 for activation. 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಂದ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ input 0 ಬರತ್ತೆ. After this bubble, I'll get 1. IC will be triggered. 0 complement is 1. IC will be triggered. When I feed 0 here, I am feeding 1 here after NOT gate. It is as good as this connection. It is as good as connecting a NOT gate. Hinge connects ಮಾಡಿದಂಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಕೈತಿ? ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಆಕೈತಿ. ಅವಾಗ IC enable ಆಗ್ತದ. If I feed 1 here, output will be 0. IC will be disabled. So since the output goes low whenever A and B are 0, I am connecting NOT with a NOT. I am not using any NOT gate. So this one will go to this enable. The third one will go to this enable. The fourth one will go to the lower enable. So in this way, I am going for the connection. And there will be 3 extensions from these 3 pins which will be soldered to every IC. So iదే ಬರುತ್ತೆ C, D, and the last one is E. So it will be always in this hierarchy: A, B, lower to upper. It will be A, B, C, D, and E. Understanding? Understanding, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Say A is 0, A is 0, B is 0, C is 0, D is 1, D is 1, E is 1. What will be the output? What pin will be selected? for this combination. If A is in other 0 other. What pin will be selected here? Is A, is B, this one is C, this one is D, this one is E. Which pin will be selected for this combination of the A and B and C and D and D?
Fourth.
First I see
E bar plus E bar.
Huh?
First one.
first I see fourth pin.
First I say
Fourth pin.
fourth pin. What is the name?
Y3 sir. Y3.
Correct. It is Y3. Why? Because A and B are 0. So this first pin goes. This pin goes low. The output will be 0 here. It will trigger this IC, and CDE is also C another 0 other is 1 other is 1 other 0 1 1 another 3. So Y3 will be selected. Y3 will be selected. Understanding? Everyone?
Yes. Yes sir. Yes sir.
So this is the way I have written here. Y0 pin is going to G2A, Y1 pin is going to G2A, Y2 pin is going to G2A, and here Y3 pin is going to G2A. And this IC is 74139. So whenever they ask the question, they will ask you in this fashion only. Construct 5:32 decoder is 2:4 decoder or 3:8 decoder, or in other case they will ask you to implement 5:332 decoder. They will ask you to implement 5:32 decoder using 74138 and 74139. They will ask people to implement using 74138 and 74139. Understanding? So in that condition, you have to do this. Are you all available here? Able to hear my voice?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
What is the problem? What problem people have? You can ask me so that I can be helping you with the concepts. What problem is the Yes.
Sir, this is Amrita.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, can you tell once again why you use 2:4 decoder in 5:32?
Why did I use 2:4 decoder and 5:32 decoder? Okay. See, ma'am. Are you able to see the diagram? Are you able to see it? This is the first IC. This is the first IC. This is the second IC. This is the third IC. This is the fourth IC. Understanding? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now there are 4 ICs. There are 4 systems to be controlled. Do the reverse engineering. It will be easy for you. 32 pins. Now math say the output pins are 32. What will be the number of input pins? In decoders I am speaking. The output pin is 32. What will be the number of input pins?
5.
Why? Why?
2 raised to n.
The output of a decoder is 2:n, whereas input is only n. You understand? The input is only n. Can a decoder has 33 inputs?
No, sir.
Can a decoder has 33 inputs?
No, sir.
Why? Why? It should be of the order of 2:n. It should be of the order of 2 raised to n. Basic block diagram again, another decoder has y raised to n output lines and n input lines. You understanding it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now there are 32 output lines. There are 32 output lines. It is making me having a feeling that how many inputs should be there? 2 raised to what is 32? That you have to find. 2 raised to x is equal to 32. What is x?
5.
X is 5. You understanding? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಹಂಗ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಗೆ 4 ICs ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕೈತ. So I have to control 4 systems. You understand in this fashion? I have to control 4 systems. For controlling 4 systems, how many pins do I need? Do the reverse engineering. This is the output pins. How many pins I need to control? How many pins I need to control this 4 pins? Ad kya You understanding? Are you understanding me? Ille ನನಗೆ 4 pins control ಮಾಡೈತಿ or 4 ICs control ಮಾಡೈತಿ. I am controlling 4 systems. How many pins do I need for controlling using a decoder? That was the point. Not getting? Not getting? No, fine. There are look here. How many pins are there here? How many pins are there here? 3 input pins. There are 3 input pins. I have put a box here. There are 3 input pins. These 3 input pins are controlling how many lines? These 3 input pins are controlling how many lines?
8 lines.
8 lines. 8. When output is 8, I need 3 inputs to control it. I can connect n systems here. 1 system, 2nd system, 3rd system, 4th system, 5th system, 6th system, 7th system, and 8th system. I can connect 8 systems over here. And those 8 systems will be under control of only these 3 pins. Am I understandable? Yes or no?
Yes.
Similarly,
Yes, sir.
notice the number. The point is just notice the number. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡೈತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಗೆ ಪಿನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡೈತೆ ನನಗೆ 4 ಪಿನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡೈತೆ 4 ಪಿನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಬೇಕು ನಂಗೆ 4 ಪಿನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ 2 inputs because 4 is 2 plus 2. You understanding?
Yes, sir.
Not getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ in decoder the inputs will be n, outputs will be 2 raised to n. 2 raised to n. You understand this relation? You understand this relation, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, what will be the relation between input and output? N will be equal to 2 raised to n. Understanding, everyone? Yes or no? Ill not right.
Yes, sir.
N is equal to 2 raised to another. Ill 4. If RHS is 4, what will be LHS? Ill 4 another LHS is
2 raised to
2.
2.
Understanding? No. I'll make this thing very clear by solving one more problem. The problem is 9 ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
Satyana.
Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
You know, I will make your doubt cleared by one more problem.
Yes, sir.
Fine. You know, 9 question. I want you people to realize ಏನಂತೇನೆ 6 is 2. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2 is 6 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು
64.
64.
64.
64, sir.
6
No.
is to 64 decoder. Understanding? I want to realize
Yes, sir.
6 is to 64 decoder. I want to realize 6 is to 64 decoder using what you call se- Am I audible again?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Look here, if people respond, I'll be able to tell the answer. Otherwise, I'll not be able to tell the answer. See, 6 is to 4. I want to realize 64 decoder. I want to realize 6 is to 64 decoder using 74138. What is 74138?
3 is to 8 decoders.
3 to 8 decode.
3 is to 8 decoder. How will you guess the number of output lines? How will you guess the number of ICs? Hang guess ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಪಟ್ ಪಟ್
3
ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್
inputs.
ಫಾಸ್ಟ್
Sir,
output
output
ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಂಗ 64
number
ಬೇಕಾ
of IC.
ಹಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟದ 64 ಅದ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟದ 8 ಅದ
8.
8.
ಹಾ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ pardon
8 IC.
8 IC required up to
I need 8
2.
ICs correct why 8 8 is 64 8 8 is 64 you understand so I have drawn here how many ICs look here first second third fourth fifth sixth seventh eighth am I clear there are 8 ICs here so how many output lines
64.
for first one it is 0 to 7 second one it is 8
8 to 52.
0 to 7 8 to 15 16 to 23 24 to 31
24 to 24.
31 and so on you will get 64 here understanding eager analyze these systems as pins ತಿಳಿತು ಇದಾಗ how many control lines this is having first IC is having how many inputs
3
3.
inputs.
3 inputs and these 3 are sorted for every IC these 3 are sorted for every IC
Yes,
so this overall system has how many ICs
8.
the overall system ಎಷ್ಟು IC ಇದಾವೆ ಇದ್ರಾಗ 8 IC ಇದಾವೆ ಹೌದ್ರಿ there are 8 ICs understanding now these 8 ICs can be controlled by how many pins
3 pins.
the 8 ICs can be controlled by how many pins
3
3
pins.
pins.
3 pins why because this 2 is to n power understanding so again I need 3 pins what should I use
3 is to 8 decoders.
correct I have to again use the same IC but now with again 3 pins here so how will I label idenida A B C D E and F and the outputs are all active low so I will be shorting the active low output to active low ya pin active low enable pin for all ICs understanding yes or no everyone understanding this
yes, sir.
Sir,
yes
sir, screen sari kanatilla, sir.
pardon
Sir, and your video is not synchronized with your audio, sir.
my video is not synchronized with the audio
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm probably asking Amruta ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
See, now it is synchronizing, correct? Yes or no? Now it is synchronized.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. There will be some network issue. Definitely, people stop me and ask me stop me there only. I'll be explaining you once again. Understanding? Is there any issue with this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Is artha agaithi? All of you understood this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Good.
No.
Good. Is there any compulsion that I have to use only 7.38 here?
No,
My next question is 7.38 use ಮಾಡಕಂತ ಐತೆ ನಾ? ಹೌದು.
no, sir.
ಐತಿ. Yes, it is there. Why? Because what is there mentioned here? Ile kodanu 7.38 kodaniಲ್ಲ. What he has given here? 7.418. Implement using only 7.418 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಹೌದಿಲ್ರಿ?
Yes, sir.
Understanding? So I have to use only 7.418. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, can I realize the same using ಇದು ತೊಗೊಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. I will not use 7.418. Can I use 7.439 and implement the same? Can I implement the same using 7.4139?
Yes,
Yes, sir, but
You have to take. I will take both the sections. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿರ್ತದ 2 ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಇರ್ತದ, ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿರ್ತದ 4 ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇರ್ತದ. ಹೌದು?
yes,
Here there will be again 4 outputs, correct? And here are again 2 inputs. These 2 inputs and I will be shorting. ತಿಳಿತು? This has one enable and this also has one active low enable, correct? Yes or no?
yes,
Yes, sir.
Sir, you are not audible.
Not audible, sir.
Sir, you are not audible, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sorry, there is network issue today. There's a little bit network issue today. Not really. Iren madane. I'm taking 2:4 decoder. 74139 only one IC I'm taking. Am I taking 2 ICs of 74139? Am I taking 2 ICs of 74139 or I'm taking only 74139 IC? Hello?
2 sir. 27413.
274.
I'm taking 1 74139 or 2 74139.
2, sir.
2, sir.
Hey, 1 74139 IC has 2 2:4 decoders in it. Why will I take 2 74139s? 1 74139 IC is a dual 2:4 decoder, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You people remember one thing. I have covered 74139 3 how to convert how to get a 3:8 decoder using 74139. Have I covered it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
How to realize a 3:8 decoder using 74139? Did you people know what is it? Have you all gone through it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಇದು ಅದ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
Yes,
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡೇನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿದ್ದೇನೆ, so that I can again connect it over all the places here. Understanding everyone? So in this way I can realize and I can ask any question for people in the exam. So people should be answerable. Any other issues? Any other issue?
No, sir.
No. Now, realize the following Boolean expression using 74138. You know, right? 74138. Look here. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes,
to
sir.
everyone?
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Realize the following Boolean expression using 7438. 7438 is an active low IC or active high IC.
Active low IC.
It is an active low IC.
Active low IC.
I have to realize what expression here. I have to realize what expression here. I have to realize what expression here.
Mean term.
Mean term is the expression.
Yes, Sophia.
It is SOP equation. So output is active high, active low. Output IC is active low IC, and we will realize the SOP equation. What should be the gate?
NAND gate.
And sir.
NAND
NAND
gate.
gate.
NAND.
NAND.
And it's
NAND gate.
Which gate?
NAND, sir. NAND.
Yes, correct. That's what I've done here. That's what I've done here. Understanding? Yes or no? Correct. And do make
Yes,
sure
sir.
this G1 is connected to VCC and G2A and G2B are connected to ground, so that they are enabled always. It is global enabled. Understanding? Yes or no? ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಕೊಡಾತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಆನ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಇದೆರಡು ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಕೊಡಾತೀನಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎರಡು ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ this is the grounding symbol. You understand this? Have you all seen this?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
This I have connected here. This I have connected here to both of them. So it is providing ground so that all these three enables are always enabled. Understanding? What if I had given a pi here? The second equation, F2 equation, if it had been a pi, what will you do? What have you done? Huh? You know? Which gate? So I'll remove the bubble. I will directly sort it. Understanding? Yes or no? Understanding? I'll remove bubble here. That's it. Next, second one. So pi m. This question is little bit tricky. Look here. F1 of ABC is equal to pi m of 0 to 4. F2 of ABC is equal to pi m of 0 to 457. Yes, to highest number is this means these two functions you have to implement using only one IC. ಎರಡು IC ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. F1 F2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಹೆಂಗ F1 and F2 I am implementing using two ICs or only one IC. Only one IC. So here also ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು IC ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು IC ಲಿ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. F1 of ABC, F2 of ABC. There are two equations. What is the highest number?
7.
7 is the highest number. How many inputs should be there? ಎಷ್ಟು input ಅದಾವಿಲ್ಲ? There are three inputs. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎದರಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು
7413.
What is 7413?
3 is to 8. 3 is to 4 record.
3 to 8. 2 is to 4.
2 is to 4.
2 is to 4.
2 is to 4 decoder. It is a 2 is to 4 decoder. Fine. 7413 is a 2 is to 4 decoder. So it is a dual 2 is to 4 decoder. So I will first do the connection in this fashion. Understanding this connection. Understanding this connection.
Yes, sir.
Ilen maadine. A is the MSB. When A is 0, what will be selected? First IC or second IC?
First one.
First one will be selected. When A is 1,
Second one.
second one will be selected. Understanding? Yes or no? That's why I'm using not will be cancelled. Hunger. And output I'm realizing using AND gate. Understanding this, everyone? Everyone understanding this? So
Yes, sir.
carefully read using what you have to realize. And then ಇದು ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಸಮಯದಂದ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ conversion also ಐತಿ. Here even there is conversion and here there is even implementation. So this sum becomes, these kind of sums will be oftenly asked in the exam. I repeat, these kind of sums will be oftenly asked in the exam. Understanding? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fine. I'll be starting with encoders in the next class. I'll be starting with encoders in the next class.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.